Hello and welcome to this lecture. Today we'll be installing all the tools that we'll need, at least at this stage. So let's get started. So first open up your web browser and search up a tool called Visual Studio, at least if you're on Windows. If you're on Mac, I would recommend you would go to the App Store and you would download Xcode. So make sure you're on visualstudio.com, click download the Community Edition. In my case, this is 2015. Yours might be 2016. So now just save it and open the file. Click run. So now we are in the installer. Now you can choose your setup location in here. If you have 2 drives, I would recommend putting it to your biggest drive because it's a really big program. So I'll quickly go to my D drive. And let's see, where did they put it here? In Program Files x86. And then in my Visual Studio file that it apparently already generated. Click OK. Now what you will need to do is go into Custom, click Next, go into Programming Languages, and select Visual C++, and make sure all of these subversions are selected. So you can also select anything else if you want, for example, GitHub extensions. But I would just recommend you would go with this, the standard plus Visual C++. So now go into Next. Then you'll see what it will install, so this is what it will install for me. It will require up to 12 gigabytes across all drives, so as you can see, it is quite a big program. Now just click Install. It might pop up with something asking, do you want to do this? A user account control warning. Just click Yes. So this will probably take a while, and I'll see you back when it's done.
One eternity later.
So hi and welcome back. Some time has passed since I last saw you, and now my Visual Studio has downloaded. So you could click launch, but I'll just close this as we'll need to move on to part 2, installing Unreal Engine. So first open your web browser up and just do a Google search for Unreal, if I can type, Unreal Engine. Click on the unrealengine.com link and now click on Get Unreal. You will need to sign up, so you need to fill in your country, first, last name, display name, your email and a password. I've already got an account, so I'll quickly log in. And once you've signed in or created your account, you should be greeted with this success message with a download button. Click that download button. So now the Epic Games Launcher has downloaded, so run it. You can close your web browser. Now again, just quickly put this on my D drive. Come on. And click install. It might come up if do you want to do this. I would recommend you would click on yes. So now it will start installing the Epic Games Launcher. So as you can see, it's now started the Epic Games Launcher, and it's downloading the rest of the content that it needs. So now it might pop up again, asking you, do you want to continue with a user account warning? Just click yes again. Now you'll need to log in with your Unreal account, so I'll quickly do that with mine. So it will probably complain with something called outdated shortcuts. The shortcuts for the launcher are outdated. Would you like to fix them now? Just click Fix Now, give it permission, and just wait for it. As you can see, this gives you access to multiple things. First of all, the Unreal Engine, then a few Unreal games. This is essentially a collaboration project for Unreal Tournament between developers, Epic Games, and just some players of it. Then you've got the Arc mod kit, so if you're playing Arc, I would sure recommend you would download and install this. although it is something like 40 gigs, so that's big. Then you've got another Epic Games game called Shadow Complex. I think this is also by Epic. Paragon. So now just add back to the tab Unreal Engine and click Install Engine. Now just make sure this is the default. Make sure you've got your starter content and just click Install. This will probably also take quite a long while. Depends a little on your disk speed and even more on your broadband speed. So I'll see you when this is done. Hello and welcome back. As you can see, Unreal just downloaded. You can click launch, but I wouldn't do it yet. You could. So just close this, and then you can just exit the application. And then I think this concludes this lecture. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please share, like, subscribe, do whatever you want. And I hope to see you in the next lecture.